Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Raw Matters. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some kids solving Rubik's Cubes really fast. Not just any kids, kids that are as young as 2 years old. It's insane. If you could support the video with like rating, I would greatly appreciate that. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so that way you never miss an upload. This kid is 2 years old, by the way. 2 years old, just chilling there with that cube. Like, I remember getting a Rubik's Cube back when I don't even remember how old I was. I was definitely older than this, and I could never solve it for the life of me, man. I could never do it. Like, this kid's for sure getting into Harvard or something with skills like this at 2 years old. I could be exaggerating this, I probably am exaggerating it, but you get my drift. Like, it's insane. 2 years old doing this though. Mad props to this girl. This kid's literally on a roller coaster solving a Rubik's Cube. That's awesome. I mean, there are tons of people who get so motion sick on roller coasters that they can't do anything but like focus on the ride. And this kid's sitting here on a roller coaster solving a Rubik's Cube. Like, wow. I mean, me personally, I don't like roller coasters at all, and this just I could never do this. I'm just putting it that way. I probably couldn't even do it even if I was not a roller coaster. Now, these are some weird looking Rubik's Cube type devices. Like, what he's solving is kind of like a Rubik's triangle, if anything exists, if such a thing exists. I don't even know what this one is that he's playing with right now or trying to solve right now. I'm lost. This one's got me feeling some type of way as well. Like, what even is that? It's like triangles and in a cube form. I have no idea. I'm probably sounding really stupid right now because I've never seen any of these, and I'm just not that into, like, solving Rubik's cubes and stuff. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I'm lost once again. Man, these young kids solving these things make me like it just makes me feel so dumb if I'm being honest. But props to these kids, man. I mean, keep it up. I mean, I would love to like know the technique and just how to do this properly and stuff like that, but I just don't really have the time to really dedicate to it. If I wanted to do something like this, I probably should have started when I was a kid. I mean, as an adult right now, I just simply don't have time for that. But once again, mad props to all these kids in this video for being able to solve these like as fast as they can with being as young as they are. See, this one's kind of like a weird looking Rubik's Cube. Like, it kind of looks almost like. I don't really know how to explain it. Like a more childish version of a Rubik's Cube. Maybe it's not even a Rubik's Cube. Maybe it's like a different off brand cube version. I have no idea what I'm talking about right now. This one looks kind of weird. And this kid's just going so fast with it. Like, man, it's amazing to watch. Like, especially when you have no talent with Rubik's Cubes whatsoever. It is amazing to watch someone do this. It really is. I'm pretty sure this kid's at like some type of Rubik's Cube solving competition, which these are like I've even heard about them and I'm not even like into Rubik's Cube stuff like that. Like, I've seen so many people talk down to people who are like talented at solving these and stuff. Man, everyone's got their thing. This thing is honestly really cool to me. Like, even though I'm not into this stuff whatsoever, I've never watched a competition, don't really have any interest in ever watching a competition, it's still cool. Like, there's no point in taking away from something that, a person's really good at and quite passionate about and quite frankly can win competitions with. There's just no point. Just let the person do their thing.
Right.
Okay, I have never seen a Rubik's Cube with this many like cubes on each side. Like that's insane. Dude, like, just the fast hand motions is so awesome and satisfying to watch. Like, I'm feeling so satisfied just watching this video right now. I have no idea why.
Man, I think this is getting hot. Come on, hold together. Come on.
Oh, the whole thing broke. Oh, rest in peace. Oh man, that was bad.
Strong enough to hold up to my speed solving. Ugh.
And that's pretty much going to wrap things up. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope everyone had a fantastic new year. Here is to another great year here on YouTube for the channel and for you guys. Anyways, video's coming to a conclusion here. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.